Out with the old, in with the new. May you be happy the whole year through. Happy New Year! May this year be your best yet. And given that we have a new year ahead of us, guess what? Today's phrase is Happy New Year. Lucky for you, this one is fairly simple. Let's start. Happy New Year in Spanish is Feliz Año Nuevo. Feliz Año Nuevo. Feliz Año Nuevo. And that's it. Grab your nearest loved one around and shout out to them, Feliz Año Nuevo. Try to not to startle them though. And that's all for today. Check out these other videos to help you with your Spanish. And if you found this video useful, share it and subscribe. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.